Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see that how to prevent the duplicate request and like how to use the idempotency in ASP.NET Core. Or first you should know what is the idempotency. Idempotency means you always prevent if a request A is already come into your in your application, so it will make sure that the same request will not come again. Okay, so this is the thing about the idempotency, and where we can use this concept in your application. Suppose there is a payment application or like a e-commerce based application, and you are trying to do some payment thing, or along with that just you are trying to place the order, or and you have make the payment for the first order, but at the same time there is some network failure, or and payment is deducted. Okay, but somehow there is, due to network failure, there is a loading spinner is continuously spinning, or generally users do, they just go back and proceed the payment again, or so or that's a very dangerous thing. Okay, so this is why we need the idempotence. As we already discussed earlier in this video, that it prevents the incoming the duplicate request. Okay, if a request is already come into your application, so it will not allow you the same request again into your application. Okay, so this is the concept of the idempotency. Or let me show you the practical scenario where you have to use this thing. Okay, so first thing is that, okay, this is the payment controller. In this payment controller I have created the pay API, or this API is just to it is a dummy API to show you that how the payment system works. Okay, so let's go to the payment service. So you will see here that I have the process payment service I have created here. Okay, or there is I have added the some validations. Okay, suppose first it will check that order and the status is successful, so simply it will just return me back uh, it won't go further things as well. Okay, if it is null, simply it will go there, or or I have added the some simulation kind of the payment gateway, or I have added the 2 seconds of delay. I don't have much time to edit the payment gateway uh, Razor Pay, or like other this straight payment integration. Okay, I don't have much time. Okay, or I have added the simulation of the payment success and failure as well. So you will see that I have added the if the so first it will add the random values. Okay, or thereafter if the random value is greater than 2, so it means that the payment would be succeed, otherwise I would consider it as a failure. Or if all this thing done, or so simply it will just add a log into the payment table, or in such a way I have created the method. Okay, or this is the payment controller. Or there is a very simple and very basic thing that I have added here. If I just run this application, so first we will see that what is the purpose to use the idempotency, or we have already discussed earlier in this video. Or let me show you the simulation of the payment system as well. Okay, so let's wait for a run this application. So the application is running now, or there is a there is a request. It's like a card number, card holder number, expiry month, year, CVV, amount, currency, and order ID. In this scenario, you always make sure that whenever you're trying to make the payment, so you always keep the you always check the order ID with the status as well. Okay, as we have already see in this video as well. Okay, so you will have you will see that I'm already checking this thing here. Okay, if I send this request, so thereafter you will get a response the payment is successful, or okay, so we got the payment failed by gateway as well. Okay, it means that the payment the random number is success is like we got the random number less than 2. So if I send the request again, so let's hit the request again, so you will see that we got the payment successful for the next iteration. Okay, so till here there is no any issues, or simply you will see that we got the two rows. Okay, or there is a one thing that you will see that we have added the success status or with the order ID 1. Okay, or you will see that at this moment we have the like we got the payment failed, but it is not a big issue. Okay, so now let's move to the add the idempotency. Okay, like it is not kind of thing like most of the .NET developer, they always make a mistake to understand the idempotency. Like they always ask me that like I have added the such validation, so why I need the implementation of the idempotency. So guys, there is a one important thing that idempotency, it is not kind of thing like it will prevent you to create the payment. No, it is not kind of thing. It will it is a kind of the network security kind of thing. Okay, or or we use the idempotency to just to check that the whether is the coming incoming request is not similar. That's it. Okay, or these kind of things that you have to implement, or whenever you are working with the e-commerce application and you are trying to add the payment system, so please like don't skip this chapter in your application as well, because identify like idempotency is a very important thing. Okay, so let's open the solution explorer, or please follow me the steps that the steps I am doing here. Okay, so first I will add a class. Okay, or the class name I will keep it as like idempotency records. Super. Okay, so there are a lot of things that you need to understand. That first I will add the public uh, not GUID, it's kind of the string or ID. Okay, first we have added the idempotency ID or public string or response as well. Okay, we are saving the response. Okay, or or it is a hash response as well. I will save the response in the hash format. Okay, not the hash format. That's okay. Now I will add the like date time dot created a public string or hash request. Okay, so I will add the hash request. Okay, or is there anything else that I can add here? So I think it is. Oh, so we have to I think I should make it as a integer. Okay, like it's a very good practice. Or I will make it as a uh, primary key. Okay, or I will add the idempotency column separately as well. Okay, so or by default I will make it as a nullable, or I will add the dead time as a UTC now. Okay, so we have added the things, or now let's add now let's register your idempotency record into the FDB context. Okay, so we have added the complete things here. Okay, now it's time to add the service filter as well for the idempotency as well. It will check that the incoming request is already exist or not, like this thing is happened already or not. Okay, so we have to add this thing into this folder. Okay, filter. Okay, it's a very important step, so please keep the eye into this thing here. Okay, so let's add the potential fixes as well. So we have added the things, or now I will add the implementation of this thing as well. Okay, so you will see that we got the implementation of this interface, or there is a important thing there where we can start the process as well. Okay, so first we will get the header as well. Okay, so first we have to check that header. Okay, so header, we are trying to access the header context dot HTTP context idempotency key. Okay, or like not like this. I think we have to make the request. First we have to add the request. Okay, so we have add the request here, parameter like variable here. Thereafter what the things I will check here. Okay, if context dot http context dot header request dot header. Okay, or I will try to get value as well, the value which I am trying to access here, which should be like idempotent key. Okay, so idempotent key. Okay, so this is the like header value which I will try to access, or simply I will just like out the header as well. Okay, so this is the header value that I will check it here. Okay, now in this if condition. Okay, so somehow if the value is null. Okay, so if the value is null, so simply I will just await next, or thereafter like simply I will just return from the method as well. Okay, or like it won't proceed further the steps as well. Okay, now it's time to hash your request as well, or that's a very important thing as well. Okay, so what the things that you need to ensure here. Okay, so first I will add the hash classes as well. Okay, so hash request hasher, that's it. Okay, so I will add the request hasher, or that simply I will add the parameter. So you will see that we have implemented the method. Okay, that's a very that's a automatic thing that you should always need to ensure. Okay, or I will make it as a string type, or that's a pretty good thing as well. Okay, so I don't want this thing here. Okay, or the request data it should be request as well. Okay, or we have added the things here, or I think we have completed the steps as well. Now it's time to make the things as well. Okay, so first I will war, or JSON request. Okay, equals to, or JSON convert dot serialization. I will make the things as which whatever the arguments is coming from the request. So simply I will just make it as a serialized object as well. Thereafter I will call the hasher request, or in the hasher request I am passing the JSON request as well. Okay, thereafter what exactly I am trying to check here. Okay, somehow if the hash request is not equals to null. Okay, that's a very important thing. Okay, there is a condition with there which I will cross check here. Okay, before the things we will go further. Okay, first I will add the fdb context class here. Okay, so I will inject the fdb context. So we have added the fdb context. So thereafter I will check that if if there any request is exist or not. Okay, so I will check the existing existing request. Okay, so I will just add check the to check through the underscore context. Okay, so I will make it as underscore context, so that it will be very beneficial for me as well. Okay, so I will add the idempotency request. Okay, now it's time to cross check the things as well, or we have to we just have to check the uh, idempotency key. Okay, so we got the header. Okay, just paste it here. That's a very good thing to string as well. Okay, so we have added things, or idempotency key. So we have added like we are just checking the things. Okay, now it's time to check that if the existing request is null or not. Okay, so existing request not equals to null. So thereafter, what the things I will check here. Okay, so simply first we will check that like we have to check that nothing is should be like conflict as well. Okay, so we will add the things like if existing request not equals to where the request hash request. Okay, so hash request. Okay, so if this happens, so at this moment like I will just pass on the things as well. Like I will make the request as like context dot response, not context dot result, or I will just give the things as well new. Okay, or conflict object result, or in the conflict object results I will create, I will just define the new object. Okay, so you will see that request dot request hash request. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you will get a message like idempotency key already existing with the requesting data. Okay, I will explain you the things like why I have added the like these kind of things as well. Okay, so I will add the status like false. That's it. Okay, so simply I will just give the response with this message. Okay, or simply I will just return from here. Okay, but somehow like if the like existing request. Okay, like if the existing request is not null. Okay, but there is a one important that I want to check here. Okay, like we have added the things here, or we have checked that like idempotency key is already exist or not. Okay, so I will just put the things as well. Okay, so context dot result. Okay, so we will check the result. Okay, equals to new object result. Okay, so we will content object results. Okay, so content object content result. That's it. That's pretty good. Or we will just give the response uh, with this thing as well. Okay, so you will see that so we have added the things as well. Okay, I will explain you. We have added the request content result. Okay, thereafter I will just send the content as a response like like whatever we're trying to add the response into the idempotency record table. Okay, or the content type which so we will see the content type as a application JSON or with the status code 200. Okay, so we got the things here. Okay, now it's time to move the things as well. Okay, so I will just add the executed context. Okay, if all things good. Okay, like somehow like it is null, it means that the like we are getting the fresh request. Okay, so let's see that whatever we have to do with the fresh request. If the fresh request we have to add the things as well. Okay, so executed context dot result is object result. Okay, so it's okay, so it is added the things for us as well. Okay, so idempotency records. Okay, so let's understand like what the things exactly trying to explain here. Okay, so, or simply now I will just get the return from here. Okay, so you will see that now it's time to go with the API as well. Okay, so it will just move to the API. Okay, or if thereafter we will got the response, if the whatever the response we are getting from API. So I'm just checking that if the result is object result. Okay, through the object result what I am trying to access here, I am just trying to access the value of that like upcoming request, or simply I will just store that response into the idempotency record. Okay, so we have added the response hash request header value as well. Okay, add value means like we are just adding the idempotency key, which I will send through the idempotent key, okay, or through the add as well, okay. Thereafter I will just add the record into the idempotency record, okay. Thereafter you will see that we have added the idempotent filter as well, okay. Now it's time to register your idempotent filter into the uh, program.cs file as well, okay. So we have to add the idempotent filter as well, okay. So add scoped, okay, or basically we have registered this service here, or if you want to add the service filter on any API, so just you have to add action filter, okay, type of the not payment controller, it should be uh, where idempotent filter, okay. So I will just add the idempotent filter kind of the action filter, okay. Or there is a common mistake that we are facing right now, okay. Why it is giving action filter, uh, service filter, okay. So it should be a service filter, okay. So we have understand the things as well, what is the idempotent process of the idempotency key as well, okay. So first whatever we have to do, we have to add the we have to update the database as well, okay. So first I will create the migration, so add migration or idempotency uh, addition, okay. So we have added the things, okay. Thereafter we will update the database with the new changes as well, or we will see that whatever the changes we will we will see there, okay. So let's wait for a while, or okay, that's pretty good, super. Or now let's update the database, okay. So we have updated the database there, that's our build is succeed now, done, very good. Now it's time to run this application, or I will add the debugger here, okay. So we will add the idempotent filter debugger, okay. Or simply I will just truncate this table as well, so truncate table payments, okay. So we have added a truncate here, okay. So that we can see and we can cross check the things from the starting as well, okay. Please don't truncate your table if you are adding the idempotency in the middle of the application as well, okay. So first we have to introduce the header, okay. So where the header is, this is my header idempotent key, okay. Or I will add the idempotent key is idm 101, okay. That's you can add any idempotent key, okay, it's totally up to you, okay. So I will send the request, okay. So we got the things here, okay. So right now we are executing the things, okay. So request, or if the let's check. So we got the idempotency key as well, okay. Now let's check that arguments as well. So these are the arguments that JSON request, okay. Or simply I will make the hashing as well. So we got the hashing request. But first I will check that is this idempotency key is exist or not. So at this moment we have not any thing in the database, okay. So simply it will execute your API. Thereafter, so we have executed the things, okay. Now it's time to check the value as well. So we got that payment failed by gateway, that's that's pretty good, okay. So we have got the things here, okay. Or I think there is something broken, okay. Okay, so let me check it out here, what the mistakes is done here, okay. So from idempotency, not idempotency, idempotency dot idempotency request. Okay, let me cross check this thing here. I think idempotency, I don't know, like something is broken. So idempotency table. Okay, like I don't know why the table is not showing there. So let's see. Okay, I think we have pressed the F5. Okay, so you will see that we have saved the response with the idempotency key created and the hash request as well. Okay, somehow if I send the request again, so you like I will like now let's check that still the request is same hashing request, or at this moment it will check that we got the response, or it may at this moment you will see that if the request is not same. Okay, so at this moment we got the response same. Okay, so you will see that we are just getting out of from here. Okay, or it means that idempotency is working, or or it is not going to the API as well. Like initially it is checking the things as well. Okay, so this is how the things like idempotency work. Okay, if you want to make the another payment, so you have to change the idempotency key. Okay, or thereafter if I have to send the request. Okay, so you will see that we got like we will go to the API. Okay, or we got the things here. Superb. Okay, so you will see that payment is successful. Okay, or if you execute your query, so you will see that we have saved the response as well. Guys, trust me, this is a very important step. Okay, or please don't underestimate the power of the idempotency as well. Okay, okay, so we have to go there, or if I send the request again, so you will see it clearly that we got there. Okay, or still the first it will check that we got the things as well. Okay, so I hope you get to know idea about that, like we are getting the response which like whatever we have like uh, added into the table as well. Okay, uh, on the idempotency key as well. Okay, so I hope you get to know idea about, or at this moment you will see like it will try to get the response from the idempotency records table. Okay, or now let's see that what is the things that I I was telling you as well. Okay, so first let's move here. Okay, like I have let's keep the idempotency same. Okay, or I will change this thing as well. Okay, so we have changed the request. Let's see that we like whatever like what the things we will get here. Okay, so you will see that hash request becomes different. Okay, so this is the saved request, the saved hash request, but this is the different request. Or or if I just send the things here, so you will see that idempotency key already exists with the different request data. It means that we have already used that idempotency key. Okay, so it means that we have to generate new idempotency key. Okay, so if I just add the 103 here. Okay, or if I just checking if I'm just checking one by one, so you will see here that payment is successful. Okay, the execution is like this. Okay, or when or whatever the things you are trying to hear. Okay, and how many times you will add here. Okay, so you will see that like we got the same response with the same payment ID as well. So this is the thing, and this is the process that you can implement the idempotency in the sp.record application as well. I hope guys you love this video, you love this content as well. So guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here, or till then, take care guys. Bye.